Yeah, so the activities were fun today and the last few days. I learned a lot about communications and human-induced crisis, very well familiarized now. All the other activities were pretty much, I don't know, sublime. It was very fun, educating for all. I think everyone kind of clear speaks out the same language. We all had fun, same way. My hopes are, I think, we need more of this, obviously. We need more fun for our center. And I think, yeah, we need to be extended a little longer, if that's possible. But overall, it's been fun. It's been very, very fun for all.
What I love the most, there are two things that I love the most about the training. First is the simulation exercise by Werkudara, because through the simulation I can feel what it's like to work as a whole team in AHA Center. And because of that, I also understand how important each unit is. The second thing that I love the most is, of course, the free time, because during free time I get enough chance to get to know almost everyone in AHA Center, and I feel really welcome in AHA Center family. And for the future, I hope the same arrangement can be done and we can accelerate and also do better as a team. Thank you, AHA Center.